Welcome friends. So today on session 3, there are 5 steps which we are going to maintain. So first, maintain fiscal year variant, then assign that fiscal year to company code, then define posting period variant, then open close posting period, then assign that posting period variant to company code. So let's start with the OB29. Execute. Then majorly in India we generally use V3. V3 contain April to March calendar, financial year, because calendar year is January to December. So V3 is sufficient to use in our company. So see, this is a 12 calendar and 4 special calendar. In SAP, maximum 16 period can be maintained. See, this is the period 1, 2, 3. And why this negative is come? Because SAP does not understand the financial year. SAP always understand calendar year. So that's why they provide a functionality to shift the year. So we did -1, -1, -1. So it gets shift to upper side. So it's working like that. Now back. So we are going to use V3 as a standard one. Now assign this variant, posting variant to company code. Now go search our company ST01, then fiscal year variant V3. Then save. Now go to OBB0 to define posting variant. Go to OBB0. New entry, posting variant again ST01, then south. Okay. Now go to open and close variant, then OB52. So what we are going to, SAP provided the 001 as a standard, so we are just going to copy it. Click on copy and assign to our variant. So our variant name is ST01. Now enter. So period, we have to open the period 2021, 021. So A is stand for asset accounting, B is for customer, and K is for vendor, and S for GA, and plus is for all. Let's say ST01 variant is ready. Now go to OBBP for assign this variant to company code. OBBP, search our company ST01, then assign variant ST01. Save, transport. So this is the thing. Now our company is on. So in next session we are going to create a document, range, enable fiscal year, default value. So what is that? I will explain in next session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.